Have you ever started cleaning and you just couldn't stop? It doesn't happen to me very often, but it happened today. So I decided to come in my sewing room and at least clean something that I actually cared about more than just chasing dust bunnies. But more importantly, I came across an idea that I think you'll find helpful too. So I've been working on a Quilt as You Go, and yesterday I spent quite a bit of time cutting the back blocks and the batting. And unfortunately, when you cut cotton batting, it does just atrocious things to your cutting mat. And I put it in the tub and I scrubbed and I scrubbed and I soaked and I scrubbed. And when I looked at it this morning, well, it still needs help. But this is where my trick comes in. Do you remember that video, Strange Things in the Sewing Room? Well, I think I have something new to add. Watch this. As you can see, I still have a lot of cotton fluff stuck where I was cutting. You can also see where I usually cut, which is kind of in the middle of the mat. I'm sure we all do that. But here's today's trick. Duct tape. Yep. And there's something about duct tape that is just, well, incredibly useful for things that you just didn't plan on it. I've done this before, and what I did was get it in those grooves and get it nice and stuck, and then watch this. Is that not magical? Sometimes you can get another strip out of it, not always, but it doesn't hurt to try. The good news is I have a whole roll of duct tape, and look how much fluff it is getting out of my mat. Isn't that just brilliant? Yep, I'm definitely going to add duct tape to Strange Things to keep in my sewing room. Roller thing is really helping. Yet another use for the little roller. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, keep quilting.